This guy is making DIY shellac bracelets. These bangles are so famous all over India. And this guy demonstrates how he makes them. Right now, he's just using this black shellac. But he's about to turn this into something amazing. His talents are unmatchable. He keeps turning the shellac over hot coal. He's heating up a metal ring, which he will use to shape his bangles. Keep watching as the guy turns the dark shellac into a magical, colorful bracelet. In just a few moments, he will be finished. Each handcrafted bangle is made with love. And they are perfected for the women of India. Finally, he's using a wooden rod to make sure the shape is completely perfect. Would you like to buy one of these? Let us know.
That's